Richie. Well, my cousin's not here, so got Darth Vader, Chewbacca, and the Angry Birds from Hoth. And so, I'll show you Jack first. Here's Jack. He's yellow. Now we have Bombard. Bombard goes like this. I'll show you how it goes. I'll go there. So that's what he makes, and now he has 2 lightsabers at least. He goes. Now we have the little stormtrooper. This stormtrooper is a pig. Also, I love those Angry Birds right there. It's not for sale, so bye.